Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at the Atlas credit card and do a review. In order to do so, here we are at atlasfin.com, atlasfinancial.com, and we'll just do a review here of their homepage and get an idea for what it is that we can expect with the Atlas credit card. So credit made easy, 0% APR, high approval rates, save spending limits, save 1,800 a year on average, no credit history required. You can enter your phone number to get started. We can scroll down here, see that accepted by industry leading providers. Traditional credit cards approve only 20% applicants without an existing credit history. Atlas has over 4 times higher approval rates and grows with you. So if you're somebody who is struggling with your credit and you're looking for the credit card that's going to help you improve your credit history, then you might Atlas might be the credit card for you. So how does it work? Well, you first have to install the app. So if you go to either the Android Google Play Store or the iOS store, you can download it there. You can get it approved in 2 minutes by signing up and get started with that. It grows with you. Connect your bank and we'll offer a safe spending limit. No credit history needed. Limits grow over time and with usage. Automatically save more. SmartPay ensures hassle-free balance management and build up savings with SmartSave, supporting both your budget and credit growth. So it helps to build your credit. A report to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. On average, members see a credit score increase of 50 points in the first year. Integrated bundle, you get a full suite of premium services that includes a built-in subscription manager, deposit account with early paycheck access, and tax filing service included at no extra cost, all with simple bundled pricing of $8.99 every 4 weeks or $89 a year in the annual plan. It's the card that keeps giving. Their reward program is designed to put money back in your pocket while providing you with a wide range of exclusive benefits. You get 5% cash back on subscription services like Netflix, Hulu, and others. That's kind of nice. Get cash back on daily essentials like gas, food delivery, and cafes. You get 100%, up to 100% cash back on lucky swipes. You get up to 100% cash back when shopping at 50,000 plus stores like Target, Starbucks, and more. So go to the App Store or Google Play if you want to install the Atlas credit card. You could see here some of the reviews. You could see why users love Atlas, 0% annual percentage, it grows with you, rewards, build your credit, no credit history needed. Take control with a virtual card. Peace of mind included. Cell phone protection, extended warranty, built-in auto rental coverage, emergency travel assistance, instant transaction alerts, easily block your card in one tap, secure two-factor authentication, liability and fraud protection. So all of that just gives you an idea of what you can expect with the virtual credit card from Atlas. And if you are interested, you can just come to their website, enter your number, and go from there. Got the FAQs here. Do I qualify for Atlas? We've designed Atlas in a way that maximizes access to credit. It's an easy way to build credit and get a spending limit that grows with you. As long as you go through our identity verification process and link your primary bank account, you will qualify for Atlas MasterCard. So that's interesting. What credit bureaus does Atlas report to? How often? I think we already took a look at that. Can I deposit funds for a higher limit? Yes, you can deposit funds to secure a higher limit, but this is optional. What bank holds my funds? All funds are held in customer deposit accounts at one of our 2 bank partners, Academy Bank and Evolve Bank. How does Atlas secure my banking information? We use Plaid to secure connect to your existing bank account, just like Venmo. So your banking information stays your business. Is Atlas a bank? Atlas is not a bank. Any funds held in your deposit account are held by one of our bank partners. For the Atlas card, we work with Patriot Bank, with Atlas providing the credit as the lender of record. We ensure your account and payments are safe and secure with both industry standard best practices and regular security audits. So, doing a little bit of research on this, I have found that there have been some mixed reviews on Atlas. Certainly if you go to their website, everything is glowing and it's the best thing ever. But based on just a little bit of research here, it has received some mixed reviews, and some have highlighted its benefits while others have expressed dissatisfaction. So here's just kind of a summary of the feedback. The benefits have reported that the card helps build credit score. It offers cash back, provides easy to use app for tracking spending, and some users have seen their credit scores improve significantly. Customer service. Positive reviews mention responsive and helpful customer service, which addresses issues quickly and efficiently. So that's nice, good to know. Some places are not that great when it comes to customer service. Approval process. The card is known for its straightforward approval process, which doesn't require a hard credit check, making it accessible to even those with poor credit. So if you are struggling with your credit, you might want to take a look at Atlas. Some of the, charges and fees. Some users have complained about the monthly fees and the immediate repayment requirement, which can be seen as a disadvantage. There are reports of unexpected charges, difficulties in closing accounts, and issues with linking bank accounts. And some users have also faced challenge in understanding the card's features and terms. Improvement. Many users have noted improvement in their credit scores. The app is praised for its user-friendly interface, flexibility. It offers flexibility in building credit with options, as we saw, to deposit funds for higher credit limit. Security features include fraud protection, real-time notification. So while some users have had positive experiences, others have faced issues with customer service, unexpected charges, and difficulty in closing accounts. So it seems to me that overall the reviews are positive. And when it comes to building your credit, sometimes you don't necessarily have all the options in the world. So Atlas is something that you can consider. If you're looking to build your credit, you might want to check it out. But just be aware getting into it that it's not necessarily unanimous in its praise. Sometimes there have been issues with customer service, but then who hasn't had issues with customer service, depending on where you're going. But of course, do your research. Know for sure if it's something that is the right thing for you. But if you are struggling with your credit and you're looking for somewhere to go, somewhere to start, you might want to consider the Atlas credit card. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.